there, this is Daddy and
Alfie!
yes, we've been moving house, haven't we?
Yeah!
Yeah, so all your toys are all over the place at the moment.
Yeah!
So, this next video, Alfie's going to tell you all about his favourite book. What book is it, Alfie?
It's a Thomas book.
A Thomas book. Right, let's have a look. Let me turn this round.
And it was painted blue. And Edward was old. And it was painted blue, and it was the number 2 in sin. And Henry was old, and I saw monster, which was the top and hat, and he painted B now, and it was the number 3 in sin. And the next one was Jordan, and he had a bullfrog called the Fine Sauceman, and the Fine Sauceman was old, and Jordan was blue, and it called Paul the First, and it's number 4. And he's James. James is a number 5 fencing, and it's painted red, and the most fences red fencing on Sodor, and they go really fast, and you don't want a paid work to get dirty, and James is also old. And Percy is a Venison, which is painted green, and is a number 6 in.
I like Percy.
I like Thomas at the very beginning.
Who's Percy's best friend?
Thomas.
Sure is.
And next one is Toby. Toby have old. Cause
Does he look like the shed?
no.
No.
Toby's old, and it's a Tam engine, and it's a number 7 engine, and it's brown. Emily don't have a number, but is also old, and once he carried the earth to top and out of the wife, and once there was to top and out of the icy man, the God was trying to pinch it. That's a funny one. Oh no, it's ripped. How did this rip?
Oh no. Do we need to call the book police?
No.
Was it you?
No.
Let's have a look at your face. Was it you?
No.
Oh, I'm sure it was.
Rosie is like James because it's red, but I can't remember Rosie's number. And it's a ice on top of her head. Target always carrying jokes, and it's a number purple one in.
You like jokes, don't you?
Yeah.
Can you tell everybody a joke?
What 2 polar bears eat?
I don't know. What do polar bears eat?
Fish.
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
Hey, fish.
That was rubbish.
I don't know your names. My
Let's have a look. Who's that?
fiance.
Osdale Engines. You got Bert, Rex, and Mike.
Bert, Rex, and Mike. They're both different colours, and both all my favourite colours. Blue is my favourite colour, and red and green are all my favourite colours.
Okay. Oh, sorry, we lost everybody then for a second, didn't we?
Yeah.
Okay, who we got now?
Belle works at the Search and Rescue Centre, and is also old. And
Old?
And it painted blue, yeah?
Oh, okay.
And Duck is also old. It's
Quack.
a pizza, yeah. And it's painted green. And it's number 8 engine. No, let me finish with fuck. It's a Donald and good eggs. One was old. The other one is number 10, and that one's 9. This one, who's this one?
Who's this one? Don't you know this one?
No.
This is Porter.
Porter.
Porter was also old. This is a sign.
Porter
And
is
it's a sign.
helpful.
No, I'm saying my own name.
See, Mummy's also a Thomas the Tank Engine fan, isn't she?
Yeah.
Say hello, Mummy. Hello. Anybody else?
Bill and Ben, Timothy and Marion.
Wow.
You work at the say kit.
Have you got all these trains? Oh, you might have.
We've got lots of them.
We'll have to show everybody your trains, won't we?
Duh. And Hot Wheels. When this is some Hot Wheels stuff too.
Well, you've got hundreds of them, we know. Okay, well, let's say goodbye to everybody. Say thanks for listening.
But I'm not doing this some more.
Oh, well, you stopped. Come on then. Whoa.
You were talking to me.
Okay, all right.
Victor fell in the water when you come into Sodor, and it was old and a light bulk, and it was yellow, but then it been painted red, and it was a very useful engine. And I've worked with a
Toad.
toad, seen a whale and a rescued the whale. And Sunny was derived on the dinosaur and it was right. Fencer was also out, this is a sign, and it was blue, but then they painted silver.
Okay, I like silver.
Harvey has a hook on top of him
And what's the hook for?
to lift things up.
Okay.
And Ryan was also out. This is a sign and it's purple. And these are some more engines. Here's Stephen with a white funnel and with a big wheel, a medium wheel, and two little wheels. And
Okay.
here's Millie, it's Bill, and here's Gin. Gin was found marrying the silver Gin, and Thomas and Percy rescued him.
Oh, rescue.
And what does
Glyn.
Glyn carry?
Uh,
Glyn the...
Coffee pot engine.
That's the
Coffee
one.
pot engine.
Yeah!
Does he carry coffee?
Glyn the coffee pot engine.
And
Scruff and whiff.
stuff and Whiff was old and his red glasses.
He wears glasses.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with that. Daddy wears glasses.
Yeah. And Diesel was a naughty engine at
I can't see it.
Diesel was a naughty and Diesel. And he worked at the Diesel works, and Diesel was also old.
Okay.
And Diesel 10 was the naughtiest engine on all under Sodor. And it sailed a Christmas decoration from Tibbet's head.
Did he?
Yeah.
That's naughty.
And here's Daisy. Daisy was also old.
She looks really naughty.
No.
You sure?
No. Daisy don't need color coaches. Daisy actually have coaches herself.
Okay.
Coaches are connected to her, so don't need to carry them. Look.
Oh, I get you.
And it's two more Diesels.
Iron Harry and Iron Bert.
Yeah. Yum painted in a yellow and black and white. It's some more Diesels.
Oh, that's Den and Dart.
Den and Dot. Den. Is it Den?
I think that's Dart.
Dot was Foya from Den.
Okay.
And Den was old because there's another sign of the Den. And Mavis was also old and was painted back. Another diesel, which is Norman.
Norman? How many engines is there? Everybody's falling asleep.
It's even more.
Whoa. Might have to do a part 2 on that one.
Yeah. And Norman's orange and yellow. And Paxson was
It looks like diesel.
with the Paxson. Paxson looked at Diesel Works, and there's another diesel. We will do a rest in the morning.
Okay, well, thank you very much for telling us all about the Thomas
So
and his friends.
We need to start from the Paxson in the morning.
Okay, we'll remind you.
That's where we was. Next is Salty, which is also a diesel.
Okay, well, what do you say to everybody?
Thank you.
Thank you for watching and say, see you soon.
See you soon.